Hello friends, Drew here in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania in this basement that we're working on finishing. Framing is complete. We passed our electrical rough inspection this morning. Our framing inspection happens Monday, and then we can start throwing up the insulation, get that up in the ceiling and in the walls and all the places where it needs to go, and then we can start sheetrocking this place. So it's going to be about 54 sheets, plus whatever we need for waste and scrap, and we'll get all that calculated and delivered here shortly. So we just wanted to kind of give you the broad sweeping view. This is our wall that we had a little bit of problem with. Some hydraulic cement seems to have solved that problem. If it didn't leak in that monsoon of a rainstorm we had when the hurricane came through, well, it was a tropical storm, I guess at this point, it's not going to have a problem. So that's beautiful. That's ready to rock and roll. So we're going to have pocket doors back here going into that storage area. We're going to have two pocket doors down at the end going into that storage area. Over here on the mechanical room, it's going to be our normal swing door that goes to the inside. We may be going with a louvered door there. That's still up in the air to be determined. We have our ductwork supply punched in here. And then we also extended this trunk line here, brought it out to the end and down to the floor. So we've got a supply coming in low and we have a supply coming in high. So depending on which season of the year we're going to be in, they have the option. We've got our I-beam completely boxed out. That's ready for drywall. And this project's coming together. This is looking real nice. So once we pass our rough framing inspection on Monday and the township's had a chance to come out and look at the work that we've gotten done so far, then like I said, we can start with getting the insulation up and into the joist bays here. That'll help keep the warm air in the basement in the wintertime so it's not just rising and getting upstairs, and keeps the cool air upstairs from just falling through the floor. That's going to help as well. And then we can start sheetrocking this place. So we've got all of our light cans up and installed and wired, and actually once we got several of these up, the homeowner had asked, could we add two more here? I'm thinking we might need a little bit more light in this place. So we added, we had to change order for, I believe, 3 additional. We added one here at the bottom of the step. We added 2 more here in the middle of the room, and they're pretty happy with that now. So we've got a set of 4-way switches that run the mechanical room lighting back here on the backside, because of course we've got multiple doors. We've got our pocket doors here, so we've got a switch just inside that going in here. If you walk in by the HVAC unit, then we've got a switch here on the wall that you can hit, and then the one over on the other side if you come into the mechanical room from this direction. So 2 3-ways and a 4-way, and then we got our 3-way switches on the main basement lighting, which actually was existing. We're able to reuse that coming in whether you come in the back door or whether you come in at the top of the stairs and come down. So moving along nicely, coming together just the way we'd like it to. We're pretty much on schedule for where we expected that we would be. A couple of things outside. So the homeowner had a frost-free hose bib out here, and it was pretty much just punched right through the siding and screwed right to the siding. So we put one of the siding blocks in. We backed that with a solid piece of wood so that there's something to bolt this to so that it doesn't move when you're connecting the hose. And we're also doing provisions back here for a future hot tub circuit and disconnect, and of course the outdoor GFI. So rocking and rolling, getting things done. I'll show you the inside of this hose bib. So we've got all that back together right here, and then what we'll do is we'll put an access panel on the drywall just inside of this so that if you ever need to get in there to change it, you have a way to get a wrench in. We are also going to be doing an access panel on the drywall here where the main sewer cleanout is, if for whatever reason we'd ever need to have a plumber get in there. So if we get a 14 by 14 here, we're going to do a 6 by 9 over on the frost-free. And so Andrew right now is working on 2 things, sweeping the floor, getting all the debris off and out of the way, and then starting to put down our brown craft paper so that we can have 100% floor coverage when we go to start doing drywall. We can potentially put some plastic down over that, but this is like an epoxy floor tile finish. It is complete the way it is, so we want to protect that, keep the drywall debris off of it, the mud, the dust, all of that. So we're going to put full protection down before we get started on that phase of the project. So Andrew's working on sweeping up, cleaning up, getting everything out of here that doesn't need to be here, and getting our plastic down. Norm's making a couple trips to the truck, carrying out the tools left over from the framing that we don't need anymore, so we can kind of transition from one project task here at the end of the week, which was the framing and the rough electric side, and get ready for the insulation and the drywall phase, which is coming up next. So if we can help solve a problem for you, if we can finish your basement, help you renovate a kitchen, a master bathroom, a hall bathroom, roofing, siding, windows, doors, decks, back kitchen backsplashes, tile bathrooms, anything that you want done in your house, take a picture of what it is and send it to us right here on Facebook. That's the fastest way to reach our team. Or you can give us a call weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction, Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects. We are your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor number 88078. Remember, when we're done with it, you'll be proud to say it's not just done. It was CopeBUILT. We'll catch you guys on another video. Thanks for joining us. Bye for now.